Hi, this is Sarah. I'm in OU Biology 1003 course. This is for week 3 starting assumptions. I chose the topic, why do you think that populations in some countries are growing exponentially while other countries are practically begging citizens to have children? Well, I think in some developing countries, especially the poor area, people always want as many children as they can. Um, as they have no advanced technology, more people means more labor force for them. And the first chairman of China believes that there is strength in numbers. So I think it is the reason why China has such a large population. Um, but in developed country, technology make almost everything can be done without humans. And also some couples don't want kids to disturb their romantic life. So they would rather adopt a dog than bear a baby. Um, and I also hear that in Germany, the population growth is negative, but they still need new generations to take place the old. It is natural rule. That's all. Thank you.